Hello, and welcome to the new session of our SVP development podcast. This is Kevin Hu from Shanghai, and today we're going to build a SAP Flight application. So this is the part A of the podcast. Let's first log in to the sandbox gateway system. And here, as usual, let's open SEAD ABAP Workbench. And now today we got built a OData service manually. So here we got to choose the class and interface. We first build a model class for sFlight. Let's see, for naming conventions, it's C underscore MPC sFlight Kevin. So let's create a new object. Say sample flight. Usual ABAP class. Here let's choose local object. So in the model class we define the structure of the OData service here. So let's see how we need to do in this coding here. So let's switch to a edit mode by pressing this button. Yes, so here we got to define a superclass for this MPC class. So this is a predefined superclass for a gateway model class. Sorry, here. Yes, I think quickest way is to key in these superclasses has already been documented in the help.sap.com, so you can find all the documentations there. And see, we already saved it. So here, let's see, we can see the superclass in the tree hierarchy. And here, for the type, let's create a new type called booking and scroll S. The visibility is public, and give it some descriptions here. Booking structure. So if you are familiar with ABAP, you can also do it by coding purely coding. But here I want to demonstrate the process of using the development GUI. So here, this is the code for the class, already generated it from our previous tasks. Here we have the superclass defined, and also the type booking as defined. So I would like to copy and paste the sample code here, as I'm not a ABAP guru, so this may be the quickest way to do it here. So types, we have some other attributes here defined. Let's do a quick save. And now we have to redefine the method. Oh, sorry. Maybe I need to something. Sorry. The method define. So it's not a good format, so I need to do a quick fix of the format. So here we're going to create another data provider class. So let's name it DPC. It's a naming convention for the sample flight. So the data provider defines those data structures to be provided or to be consumed. Also, we have a naming superclass to inherit. So here we have the let's do save. And let's activate this class. It says okay, no errors. Let's go back to the MPC and activate it, as I forgot to activate it previously. So here, double click MPC. Okay, fine. The activation process will check the check the code and see if there's anything wrong. In SPRO, let's expand the list. SAP Netweaver. What we want with gateway is the gateway service enablement backend or data channel. Let's see, I cannot remember it. Here, click maintain. We can maintain modes, maintain services. Okay, so let's see if we have got. Let's click the maintain mode here. So let's create a new technical mode here. Let's name it, say, come on, say, CTM mode provider, model provider, sFlight, Kevin. Let's do it short. So model version is 1. Let's click create. So let's select the model provider classes. This is not what I want. So let's check the information system. Let's do a quick search of the yes, I got it. NPC sFlight Kevin. Let's check it. Click OK. And some simple description here. Click OK. Local object. So let's go back to the menu and let's do maintain services. Also, let's see. Let's create a new service name. Let's name it Flight Info Kevin. This is the service name that we would like to export to the outside world. So let's check for the it's too much. Okay, let's choose the DPC data provider model, the class, sorry, data provider class, and let's click the assign model. So let's see, we can choose the model name. So let's see. How can search? I'm afraid I forget the technical model name. So I will probably try Kevin. This is the universal keyword here. Okay, I got it, the technical name that I created has been populated, and now I can save it. Okay, making sure the status bar say the service changed successfully. And then let's go back. Or maybe we can jump, say, okay. Let's do a registry. Let's register this service. It says that this transaction has been deprecated. We can use the new transaction here. So let's copy paste it. Main service, where you can maintain the service here. So let's say let's find something called flight info. So we created no service here. So maybe we can go back and check the guide. Let's say let's scroll down a little bit to see what's going on here. sFlight. So we're gonna click the add service button here and say local. First we're gonna do a search. Get the service. Yes, that's the service that we created. Flight info Kevin. Let's choose it and add the service to the list. Double click and add the service as a local object. And here we can choose the standard mode or compatible mode for SP02. You can choose either of those options. But here we're going to use the standard mode. The compatible mode is maybe it will be obsolete someday in the future. Okay, let's do a filter. You should get the service. And let's click the call browser. Click OK. We'll fix this error in the next part. Bye.